Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of setting up a proxy in Socinator. Let's get started. Launch the Socinator program. Navigate to the left-hand side and select the Proxy Manager tab. If you've configured proxies before, they will be listed here. If not, click on the Add Proxy button to proceed with setting up a new proxy. A form will appear for proxy configuration. Begin by entering a name for the proxy in the proxy name field. You can also assign the proxy to a specific group by creating the group name. In the proxy address and proxy port fields, enter the IP address and port of your proxy. If your proxy requires authentication, input the username and password in the username and password fields respectively. Once all the necessary information is entered, click the Save button to finish the setup. That's it. The proxy configuration is now complete. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.